LTPO Display Technology. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are diving into one of the most significant and often misunderstood innovations in modern mobile devices, LTPO display technology. It's the silent hero behind the stunning, efficient screens of today's flagship smartphones and wearables, and we'll explore exactly why flagships are making the switch. What is LTPO? Definition. So, let's break down the acronym. LTPO stands for Low-Temperature Polycrystalline Oxide. Crucially, it is not the OLED panel itself, it is the backplane technology, the intricate grid of circuits that powers the OLED screen. Its core function is to act as the foundational layer of thin-film transistors, or TFTs, which control the illumination and refreshing of every single pixel on the display. Hybrid TFT Architecture. What makes LTPO unique is its sophisticated hybrid architecture. It integrates two distinct transistor technologies into a single circuit layer. First, we have LTPS, or low-temperature polycrystalline silicon, known for its high electron mobility and speed. Second, we integrate oxide transistors, specifically EXO, which are renowned for their extreme power efficiency and low leakage current. This combination allows the display to harness the best strengths of both materials simultaneously. The role of each transistor. This slide explains the roles each material plays. We use the LTPS transistors for switching circuits. Their high mobility means they can rapidly charge and control the pixels, which is essential for achieving ultra-smooth, high refresh rates, like 120 Hz. Conversely, we use the oxide, EXO, transistors for driving circuits. The EXO's low leakage current allows the pixels to hold their charged state for much longer without needing continuous power. This separation of duties, speed for switching, efficiency for driving, is the key synergy that allows the backplane to deliver high performance when active, and ultra-low power consumption when static. Variable refresh rate. The practical outcome of this hybrid backplane is the enablement of variable refresh rate, or VRR, natively at the hardware level. A standard display is typically locked at 60 or 120 Hz. LTPO is different. It can dynamically shift its speed, from a rapid 120 Hz when you are scrolling or gaming, all the way down to 1 Hz when viewing static content. This dynamic adjustment eliminates the need for external, power-hungry controller hardware, making the display itself smarter and more efficient. Efficiency in action, 1 Hz. The most dramatic power savings come when the screen drops to just 1 refresh per second. Think about viewing static content, reading an ebook, looking at a photo, or using the always-on display. A traditional LTPS screen wastes energy by refreshing itself 60 times a second, even though nothing is changing. LTPO's ability to idle at 1 Hz means the transistor is only checking in on the pixel once every second. This dramatically extends battery life during the common usage scenarios where the screen is on, but the content is static. Power consumption analysis. If we look at the data, the advantage of LTPO becomes clear. While a standard LTPS OLED serves as our 100% baseline, the LTPO OLED typically uses around 85% of that power. This is a conservative estimate. In specific static reading and always-on display scenarios, power savings can easily exceed 15%. Translating that 15% to battery life means potentially hours of extra usage from a single charge. The flagship dilemma. LTPO solves a major problem for modern device manufacturers, what we call the flagship dilemma. Consumers have two conflicting demands. They expect buttery smooth 120 Hz scrolling and gaming performance, which requires high power. But they also demand all-day battery life and convenience features like always-on display, which high refresh rates typically destroy. LTPO bridges this gap perfectly. It delivers maximum performance when the user is actively engaged, and maximum endurance when the device is idle. Projected market adoption. Market trends confirm this is the direction the industry is moving. Our data shows a clear inflection point. As of 2022, LTPS was dominant, but by 2025, LTPO flexible AMOLED shipments are projected to not just catch up, but clearly surpass LTPS. The technology is rapidly moving from a niche feature in top-tier flagships to the new required standard for any premium device. Why it matters? Benefits recap. Battery life. We get a significant power reduction when content is static. Second, visual fluidity. We get the 120 Hz responsiveness without a penalty. Third, hardware efficiency. The backplane handles the VRR, removing the need for complex external controllers. And finally, it makes the always-on display a practical, sustainable feature. The future. As we look ahead, LTPO represents the pinnacle of current mobile display innovation. While it's currently focused on high-end devices, as manufacturing processes mature and costs drop, we can fully expect to see this efficiency trickle down into mid-range and even budget devices, bringing better performance and battery life to the mass market. It is setting the standard for the next decade of smartphone screens. Q&A. Thank you for joining this deep dive into LTPO technology. I'm happy to take any questions you have about the hybrid architecture, power savings, or market adoption trends.